Bitcoin isn't reacting well to the euro parity. Uniswap gets hit by a massive phishing scam. Three Arrows co-founder breaks his silence with a Twitter bombshell. Kyber network rolls out its latest elastic liquidity pools, and the Sandbox is partying it up with some Playboy bunnies. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Altcoin Buzz Access Pro is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and more, with plans starting at $99 a month. And you can sign up below or right here on the link on the screen. And please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you're always up to date with our news, deep dives, and great offers. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. Despite some optimistic indicators saying that Bitcoin's bottom is nearby, there's still lots of unrest around the king of crypto. Bitcoin has fallen through the $19,700 support, and it's likely from major sell-offs connected to the euro parity with the US dollar. The euro has dropped to a 20-year low of nearly $1 right on the dot, and the euro has likely weakened with a potential energy crisis on the horizon that would be a result of the Russia-Ukraine crisis and could bring about recessions throughout the continent. Meanwhile, the US dollar index keeps bloating with the committed federal interest rate hikes and inflation. Balance is not something we're seeing in this market whatsoever. And if you add the global supply chain shortages and growing commodity prices, a lot of analysts are expecting recessions in developed markets in the near future. How that will affect Bitcoin is difficult to say, but as we reported yesterday, there is a good likelihood of a big supply of BTC flooding the market from sell-offs and the Mt. exchange bankruptcy settlement. Uniswap is the latest platform caught in a massive phishing hack that left the DEX out of $8 million in Ethereum and other assets. Apparently, hackers offered a fake airdrop to the Uniswap community. The phishing scam reportedly offered users a free airdrop of 400 Uni tokens, worth about $2,200 US. And when users accepted the airdrop and connected their crypto wallets to sign the transaction, it was game over. And the unknown hacker was able to access all of a user's liquidity pool tokens and eventually made off with the millions through a malicious smart contract. And the event sent Uni tokens plummeting by at least 10% in the market. But there's more. Apparently, Binance CEO CZ Xiao had caught wind of an attack, tweeted about it without really knowing what the event actually was, probably trying to help. And when the news finally broke, parts of the crypto community weren't too thrilled with Xiao's tweet about a potential exploit on Uniswap v3, as opposed to something less severe like a phishing scam that actually happened. All in all, neither event is good news. But Uniswap is maintaining that since it was only a phishing scam, that the network is still safe. After a month of bankruptcy and insolvency talks around Three Arrows Capital, 3AC co-founder Su Zhu has finally broken his silence. And Su is taking this opportunity to air out some dirty laundry on Twitter. The co-founder has tweeted screenshots of an email conversation between the crypto hedge fund and its legal counsel. From the screenshots, Su says that our good faith to cooperate with liquidators was met with baiting, saying that the council appointed by the British Virgin Islands to serve as 3AC's liquidators were trying to bait Su and fellow co-founder Kyle Davies, and that council alleged that neither Su nor Davies were cooperating, that they may have fled, and that there was a heightened risk of Su or Davies transferring liquid assets to private wallets. Su also mentions in the tweet that it's unsure if the appointed liquidators acted on exercising a Starkware token offer, which may have caused even more damage to 3AC. A picture is worth 1,000 words, maybe even more on Twitter. And these two images from Su may have blown the lid right off of the 3AC saga. Kyber network is ready to roll out its highly anticipated Kyber Elastic protocol. The decentralized exchange aggregator and liquidity platform is changing the game for concentrated liquidity. With Kyber Elastic, liquidity providers will have the flexibility to create custom price ranges for an elastic pool, all depending on how concentrated the pool's liquidity can be. Now, in a blog post, Kyber says that this process is intended to make a pool's liquidity more efficient and to bring in better volume and earnings for liquidity providers, especially for stablecoins and correlated pairs that have a small price range. Kyber Elastic joins the platform's flagship Kyber DMM, now known as Kyber Swap Classic, which is the market's first ever dynamic market maker that also adjusts to market conditions to optimize returns for LPs. It's also Kyber Network's 5th anniversary, and the platform is launching a trading contest with 20,000 KNC tokens worth of rewards. To get in on this celebratory contest, users simply have to trade any tokens on 5 networks: BitTorrent, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon, and they'll be entered into the 20,000 KNC prize pool for 500 random winners. Check out the contest details on Kyber Network's Twitter page, but you'll want to jump on this soon because the contest closes on July 15th. And lastly, the Sandbox metaverse is getting a little sexy. The metaverse platform is welcoming Playboy to its Web3 offerings by building a meta mansion that will host Playboy events and NFT drops, like Playboy's Rabbitars NFT project that is already on the market and sold for about $800 a piece back in October. On top of this, Animoca Brands, the big brother to the Sandbox, has productively raised $75 million, bringing its 2-round total of funding to over $358 million and upping Animoca's pre-money value to nearly $6 billion. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.